General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge of Andhra Pradesh. Let us begin the quiz. First question. Which is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh? Answer choices. Kurnool, Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Amravati. The answer is Amravati. Amravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which is the official language of Andhra Pradesh? Options. Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Odia. And the correct answer is Telugu. Telugu is the official language and the most widely spoken language of Andhra Pradesh. On which date was Andhra state formed? The 1st of November 1956. The 26th of January 1950. The 2nd of June 2014. The 1st of October 1953. The 1st of October 1953. Andhra state was formed on the 1st of October 1953 after separating from the former Madras state. Now for the next question. On which date was Andhra Pradesh formed by merging Andhra state with the Telugu-speaking region of Hyderabad state? Your options are the 1st of November 1956, the 15th of August 1947, the 2nd of June 2014, the 1st of October 1953. The correct answer is the 1st of November 1956. Andhra Pradesh was formed on the 1st of November 1956 under the state's reorganization process. On which date did the bifurcation of undivided Andhra Pradesh take effect? The 2nd of June 2014, the 15th of August 1947, the 1st of November 1956, the 1st of May 1960, the 2nd of June 2014. The Andhra Pradesh reorganization took effect on the 2nd of June 2014, creating Telangana as a separate state. Now for the next question. Which water body lies to the east of Andhra Pradesh? Options. Gulf of Kutch, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean only, Arabian Sea. The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Andhra Pradesh has a long eastern coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Which mountain range passes through Andhra Pradesh? Eastern Ghats, Aravalli Range, Western Ghats, Himalayas. Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats run through several parts of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 8. How many districts are there in Andhra Pradesh as of July 2026? Options. 26, 23, 28, 13. The answer is 28. Andhra Pradesh has 28 administrative districts as of July 2026. What is the approximate geographical area of Andhra Pradesh? About 262,970 square kilometers. About 362,970 square kilometers. About 92,970 square kilometers. About 162,970 square kilometers. About 162,970 square kilometers. Andhra Pradesh covers approximately 162,970 square kilometers. Question number 10. What is the approximate length of Andhra Pradesh's coastline? Here are the options. About 1,374 kilometers. About 974 kilometers. About 574 kilometers. About 774 kilometers. And the correct answer is about 974 kilometers. Andhra Pradesh has a coastline of about 974 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal. Answer this next question. Which is the largest city in Andhra Pradesh? Answer choices. Kurnool, Rajamahendravaram, Tirupati, Vishakhapatnam. The answer is Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam is the largest city in Andhra Pradesh. Which two broad regions make up present-day Andhra Pradesh? Doab and Rohilkhand. Konkan and Vidarbha. Malwa and Bundelkhand. Coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema. Coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema. Present-day Andhra Pradesh is commonly divided into Coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema. What is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh? Indian elephant. Indian giant squirrel. Black buck. Bengal tiger. Black buck. The black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh. What is the state bird of Andhra Pradesh? Great hornbill. Indian peafowl. Rose-ringed parakeet. Sarus crane. Rose-ringed parakeet. The rose-ringed parakeet is the state bird of Andhra Pradesh. What is the state tree of Andhra Pradesh? Banyan. Sandalwood. Coconut. Neem. Neem. Neem is the state tree of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. What is the state flower of Andhra Pradesh? Your options are sunflower, lotus, jasmine, jarul. The correct answer is jasmine. Jasmine is the state flower of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is popularly known by which agricultural nickname? Rice Bowl of India, Apple State of India, Spice Island of India, Tea Garden of India. Rice Bowl of India. Andhra Pradesh is widely called the Rice Bowl of India because of its major paddy production. Next question. Which district is located at the extreme northeastern end of Andhra Pradesh? Options: Anantapuramu, Nandyal, Srikakulam, Chittoor. The correct answer is Srikakulam. Srikakulam is the northeasternmost district of Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following is a Rayalaseema district? Srikakulam, Anantapuramu, Konaseema, Kakinada. Anantapuramu. Anantapuramu is one of the major districts of the Rayalaseema region. Question number 20. Which Andhra Pradesh city is popularly called the City of Destiny? Answer choices: Vishakhapatnam, Kadapa, Eluru, Ongole. The correct answer is Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam is widely known as the City of Destiny. Which major river flows through Vijayawada? Krishna, Vansadhara, Godavari, Penna. Krishna. Vijayawada is situated on the banks of the Krishna river. Which major river flows beside Rajamahendravaram? Nagavali, Tungabhadra, Godavari, Krishna. Godavari. Rajamahendravaram is an important city on the banks of the Godavari river. Prakasham Barrage is built across which river? Godavari, Krishna, Vansadhara, Penna. Krishna. Prakasham Barrage at Vijayawada is built across the Krishna river. Sir Arthur Cotton Barrage at Doweshwaram is built across which river? Nagavali, Krishna, Godavari, Penna. Godavari. The Doweshwaram Barrage system is built across the Godavari near Rajamahendravaram. Here is the next question. Srishalam Dam is built across which river? Answer choices: Krishna, Godavari, Penna, Tungabhadra only. The correct answer is Krishna. Srishalam Dam is a major multipurpose project on the Krishna river. Next question. Polavaram project is built across which river? Options: Krishna, Penna, Godavari, Vansadhara. And the correct answer is Godavari. The Polavaram multipurpose project is being built across the Godavari river. Answer this next question. Which river flows through the city of Nellore? Choose the correct answer from these options: Nagavali, Godavari, Penna, Krishna. The answer is Penna. Nellore is located on the banks of the Penna river. Now for the next question. The Tungabhadra is a major tributary of which river? Your options are Godavari, Penna, Mahanadi, Krishna. The correct answer is Krishna. The Tungabhadra joins the Krishna river. Let us move to the next question. Which river is especially associated with Srikakulam district? Here are the options. Vansadhara, Narmada, Kaveri, Sabarmati. And the correct answer is Vansadhara. The Vansadhara is one of the important rivers flowing through Srikakulam district. Which river flows through parts of Vizianagaram and Srikakulam districts? Tapi, Luni, Nagavali, Periya. Nagavali. The Nagavali river flows through northern Andhra Pradesh, including Vizianagaram and Srikakulam. Question number 31. Koleru Lake lies between the deltas of which two rivers? Your options are Narmada and Tapi, Tungabhadra and Bhima, Penna and Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari. The correct answer is Krishna and Godavari. Koleru Lake is situated between the Krishna and Godavari river deltas. Let us move to the next question. Which lake is shared by Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu? Here are the options. Hussain Sagar, Loktak Lake, Koleru Lake, Pulikat Lake. The correct answer is Pulikat Lake. Pulikat Lake is a large brackish water lagoon shared by Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, which is one of India's largest freshwater lakes and is located in Andhra Pradesh. Pulikat Lake, Sambhar Lake, Koleru Lake, Chilika Lake. Koleru Lake. Koleru is a major freshwater lake located between the Krishna and Godavari deltas. Answer this next question. Pulikat Lake is best described as what? Choose the correct answer from these options. A man-made reservoir, a volcanic crater lake, a Himalayan glacial lake, a brackish water lagoon. The correct answer is a brackish water lagoon. Pulikat is a coastal brackish water lagoon connected with the Bay of Bengal. Araku Valley is located in which mountain system? Vindhya Range, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Aravalli Range. Eastern Ghats. Araku Valley is a scenic hill region in the Eastern Ghats. Borra caves are mainly formed in which type of rock? Limestone, granite, basalt only, marble. Limestone. Borra caves are famous limestone caves with stalactite and stalagmite formations. Next question. Belam caves are located in which district? Here are the options. Srikakulam, Nandyal, Konasima, Krishna. The correct answer is Nandyal. Belam caves are located near Belam village in Nandyal district. Gandikota Gorge was carved by which river? Godavari, Vansadhara, Krishna, Penna. Penna. The dramatic Gandikota Gorge was formed by the Penna river. Here is the next question. Horsley Hills are located in which district? Options. Kakinada, Bapatla, Ennamya, Palnadu. The correct answer is Ennamya. Horsley Hills are well-known hill station in Ennamya district. Papikondalu Hills are closely associated with which river? Penna, Godavari, Krishna, Nagavali. Godavari. Papikondalu is a scenic hill region along the Godavari river. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is especially famous for which ecosystem? Coral atolls, cold desert, mangrove forests, alpine meadows. Mangrove forests. Koringa protects one of India's important mangrove ecosystems near Kakinada. Rolapadu Wildlife Sanctuary is well known as a refuge for which endangered bird? Great Hornbill, Sarus crane, Himalayan monal, Great Indian bustard. Great Indian bustard. Rolapadu is known as an important habitat of the endangered Great Indian bustard. Nayapattu Bird Sanctuary is especially known for which birds? Ostriches, penguins, emus, pelicans. Pelicans. Nayapattu is famous for large breeding colonies of pelicans and other water birds. Kaundinya Wildlife Sanctuary is especially known for which large animal? Wild yak, one-horned rhinoceros, Asian elephant, Asiatic lion. Asian elephant. Kaundinya Wildlife Sanctuary is known for its elephant population. Let us move to the next question. Kambalakonda Wildlife Sanctuary is located near which city? Options: Ongole, Vishakhapatnam, Kurnool, Tirupati. The correct answer is Vishakhapatnam. Kambalakonda Wildlife Sanctuary is located on the outskirts of Vishakhapatnam. Let us move to the next question. Nagarjunasagar Srishalam Tiger Reserve mainly covers which hill and forest region? Here are the options: Nilgiri Hills, Nalamala Hills, Khasi Hills, Aravalli Hills. The correct answer is Nalamala Hills. The tiger reserve spreads across the extensive Nalamala forest landscape. Which national park is located in the Sheshachalam Hills near Tirupati? Kana National Park, Pench National Park, Sri Venkateswara National Park, Papakonda National Park. Sri Venkateswara National Park. Sri Venkateswara National Park protects the forests of the Sheshachalam Hills near Tirupati. Here is the next question. Koleru Bird Sanctuary is centered around which lake? Choose the correct answer from these options: Lunar Lake, Pulikat Lake, Dal Lake, Koleru Lake. And the correct answer is Koleru Lake. Koleru Bird Sanctuary protects the wetland habitat around Koleru Lake. Question number 49. Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary mainly protects which coastal habitat? Answer choices: mangroves and estuaries, alpine grasslands, desert dunes, snow forests. The correct answer is mangroves and estuaries. Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary protects mangrove and estuarine habitats near the Krishna Delta. Sri Lankamaleshwara Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for protecting which rare bird? Nilgiri flycatcher, Indian peafowl, painted stork, Jordan's corsair. Jordan's corsair. The sanctuary is best known as a habitat of the critically endangered Jordan's corsair. Let us move to the next question. Whose sacrifice played a major role in the formation of Andhra state in 1953? Answer choices: Alluri Sitaram Raju, Pingali Venkaya, Potti Sriramulu, Thambuturi Prakasham. The answer is Potti Sriramulu. Potti Sriramulu's fast and death strengthened the movement for a separate Andhra state. Answer this next question. What was the capital of Andhra state when it was formed in 1953? Answer choices: Vishakhapatnam, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Kurnool. The correct answer is Kurnool. Kurnool served as the capital of Andhra state from 1953 until the formation of Andhra Pradesh in 1956. Amravati is famous for the remains of which ancient monument? A Mughal fort, a Rajput palace, a Buddhist stupa, a European cathedral. A Buddhist stupa. Amravati is internationally known for the remains and sculptures of an ancient Buddhist stupa. Nagarjunakonda is especially important for the heritage of which religion? Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism. Buddhism. Nagarjunakonda is a major archaeological site with important Buddhist remains. Let us move to the next question. Ancient Amravati was an important center under which dynasty? Your options are Satvahans, Guptas only, Mughals, Ahoms. The correct answer is Satvahans. Amravati was an important political and cultural center during the Satavahana period. Sri Krishnadevariya was a famous ruler of which empire? Maurya Empire, Vijayanagara Empire, Kushan Empire, Mughal Empire. Vijayanagara Empire. Sri Krishnadevariya was one of the greatest rulers of the Vijayanagara Empire. Question number 57. Who wrote the Telugu literary work Amuktamaliyada? Here are the options. Sri Krishnadevariya, Burajada Apparao, Kandukuri Veerasalingam, Nane. The correct answer is Sri Krishnadevariya. Amuktamaliyada is a celebrated Telugu work written by Sri Krishnadevariya. Which freedom fighter led the Manyam or Ramp rebellion against British rule? Potti Sriramulu, Alluri Sitaram Raju, Dubgirala Gopal Krishnaiya, Pingali Venkaya. Alluri Sitaram Raju. Alluri Sitaram Raju led the tribal uprising known as the Manyam or Ramp rebellion. Here is the next question. Who is popularly known as Andhra Kesari? Answer choices. Kandukuri Veerasalingam, Thambuturi Prakasham, N.T. Ramarao, Potti Sriramulu. And the correct answer is Thambuturi Prakasham. Thambuturi Prakasham earned the title Andhra Kesari, meaning Lion of Andhra. Who is associated with the design of India's national flag? Pingali Venkaya, Burajada Apparao, Nane, Alluri Sitaram Raju. Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya presented an early design that became the basis of India's national flag. Answer this next question. Which social reformer is strongly associated with widow remarriage and women's education in Andhra? Here are the options. Sri Krishnadevariya, Annamacharya, Tenali Ramakrishna, Kandukuri Veerasalingam. The correct answer is Kandukuri Veerasalingam. Kandukuri Veerasalingam was a pioneering Telugu social reformer and writer. Who wrote the famous Telugu play Kanyasulkam? Vishwanatha Satyanarayana, Nane, Burajada Apparao, Tikna. Burajada Apparao. Burajada Apparao wrote Kanyasulkam, a landmark work of modern Telugu literature. Let us move to the next question. Who is traditionally known as Adikavi, the first poet of Telugu literature? Answer choices. Nane, Yerapragada, Tenali Ramakrishna, Tikna. And the correct answer is Nane. Nane is honored as Adikavi and began the Telugu translation of the Mahabharata. Which three poets are collectively known as the Kavitriyam? Annamacharya, Tyagaraja and Ramadasu. Tenali, Peddana and Dhurjti. Burajada, Veerasalingam and Sri Sri. Nane, Tikna and Yerapragada. Nane, Tikna and Yerapragada. Nane, Tikna and Yerapragada are known as the Telugu Kavitriyam. Question number 65. Tenali Ramakrishna is traditionally associated with the court of which ruler? Options. Harshavardhana, Ashoka, Akbar, Sri Krishnadevariya. The correct answer is Sri Krishnadevariya. Tenali Ramakrishna is remembered as a witty poet in the court of Sri Krishnadevariya. Next question. Andhra University is located in which city? Your options are Tirupati, Vishakhapatnam, Nellore, Kurnool. The correct answer is Vishakhapatnam. Andhra University is a major public university located in Vishakhapatnam. Sri Venkateswara University is located in which city? Tirupati, Machilipatnam, Srikakulam, Rajamahendravaram. Tirupati, Sri Venkateswara University is located in Tirupati. Let us move to the next question. The Lepakshi temple is especially famous for which architectural feature? Choose the correct answer from these options. A glass dome, a marble minaret, a floating bridge, a hanging pillar. The correct answer is a hanging pillar. The Veerabhadra temple at Lepakshi is famous for its remarkable hanging pillar. Now for the next question. Gandikota is popularly called what? Your options are Scotland of India, Grand Canyon of India, City of Lakes, Pink City of India. The answer is Grand Canyon of India. Gandikota is popularly called the Grand Canyon of India because of its dramatic gorge. Chandragiri Fort is located near which pilgrimage city? Srishalam, Tirupati, Simhachalam, Annavaram. Tirupati. Chandragiri Fort is an important historical site near Tirupati. Now for the next question. Which classical dance form originated in Andhra Pradesh? Choose the correct answer from these options. Garba, Bhangra, Kuchipudi, Kathakali. The correct answer is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a classical Indian dance form that originated in Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Kuchipudi dance takes its name from a village in which district? Choose the correct answer from these options. Krishna district, Chittoor district, Nandyal district, Srikakulam district. The correct answer is Krishna district. Kuchipudi originated in the village of Kuchipudi in Krishna district. Question number 73. Kundapalli is famous for which traditional handicraft? Options. Blue pottery, metal mirrors, wooden toys, stone carpets. The correct answer is wooden toys. Kundapalli Bommalu are colorful wooden toys made by traditional artisans. Answer this next question. Etakoppaka is famous for which craft? Options. Marble carving, lacquered wooden toys, silver filigree only, bamboo bridges. The answer is lacquered wooden toys. Etakoppaka is known for brightly colored lacquered wooden toys. Now for the next question. Which two places are major centers of Kalamkari art in Andhra Pradesh? Answer choices. Kadapa and Anantapuramu, Machilipatnam and Srikalahasti, Eluru and Nandyal, Tirupati and Kurnool. And the correct answer is Machilipatnam and Srikalahasti. Machilipatnam and Srikalahasti are the two best known Kalamkari traditions of Andhra Pradesh. The Bobbili Veena is associated with which district? Vizianagaram, Bapatla, Kurnool, Nellore. Vizianagaram. The traditional Bobbili Veena is made in the Bobbili area of Vizianagaram district. Let us move to the next question. Uppada Jamdani is a famous type of what? Options. Musical instrument, sweet dish, sari, wooden toy. The correct answer is sari. Uppada Jamdani is a fine hand-woven sari tradition of coastal Andhra Pradesh. Here is the next question. Dimsa is a traditional tribal dance associated mainly with which region? Here are the options. Araku Valley, Pulicat Coast, Kurnool City, Godavari Delta towns. And the correct answer is Araku Valley. Dimsa is a popular tribal dance of the Araku and surrounding hill regions. Answer this next question. The Tirumala temple is dedicated to which deity? Answer choices. Lord Kartike, Lord Venkateswara, Lord Jagannath, Lord Ayappa. The answer is Lord Venkateswara. The Tirumala temple near Tirupati is dedicated to Lord Venkateswara. The Mallikarjun temple at Srishalam is one of the 12 what? Shaktipithas only. Jyotirlingas. Sun temples. Chardhans. Jyotirlingas. Mallikarjun at Srishalam is revered as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Simhachalam temple near Vishakhapatnam is mainly dedicated to which deity? Surya. Brahma. Narsimha. Ganesha. Narsimha. Simhachalam is famous for the Varaha Narsimha temple. Kanaka Durga temple is located in which city? Anantapuramu. Vijayawada. Kadapa. Kakinada. Vijayawada. Kanaka Durga temple stands on Indrakiladri hill in Vijayawada. Annavaram is famous for the temple of which deity? Satyanarayana Swami. Subramanya Swami. Ayappa Swami. Jagannath. Satyanarayana Swami. Annavaram is a major pilgrimage center dedicated to Sri Veera Venkat Satyanarayana Swami. Question number 84. Srikalahasti temple represents which element among the Panchabhuta temples? Options: water, fire, earth, air. The correct answer is air. Srikalahasti is traditionally associated with Vayu, the element of air. Here is the next question. The famous Veerabhadra temple is located at which place? Answer choices: Amravati, Lepakshi, Annavaram, Dwarka Tirumala. The correct answer is Lepakshi. The Veerabhadra temple at Lepakshi is a masterpiece of Vijayanagara architecture. Next question. Draksharamam is one of the 5 sacred temples known collectively as what? Options: Ishtvinayakas, Pancharma Kshetras, Pancha Sarovars, Chardhans. The answer is Pancharama Kshetras. Draksharamam is one of the 5 important Shiva temples called the Pancharama Kshetras. Now for the next question. Which pilgrimage center is popularly called Chinna Tirupati? Answer choices: Ahobilam, Srikalahasti, Mahanandi, Dwarka Tirumala. The correct answer is Dwarka Tirumala. Dwarka Tirumala is popularly known as Chinna Tirupati. Which festival marks the Telugu New Year? Ugadi, Bihu, Lohari, Onam. Ugadi. Ugadi marks the beginning of the traditional Telugu New Year. Which harvest festival is celebrated on a grand scale in Andhra Pradesh? Sankranti, Losar, Nuakhai only, Hornbill festival. Sankranti. Sankranti is one of the biggest harvest festivals of Andhra Pradesh. The annual Brahmotsavam festival is especially associated with which temple? Golden Temple, Konark Sun Temple, Tirumala Venkateswara Temple, Brihadiswara Temple. Tirumala Venkateswara Temple. The Tirumala Brahmotsavam is a major annual festival dedicated to Lord Venkateswara. Pesarattu is mainly prepared from which ingredient? Chickpea flour only, rice flakes only, green gram, wheat flour. Green gram. Pesarattu is a popular Andhra crepe made mainly from soaked green gram. Gongura is a popular Andhra food made from which type of ingredient? Sorrel leaves, lotus seeds, bamboo shoots, raw banana flowers only. Sorrel leaves. Gongura dishes are made from the tangy leaves of the sorrel plant. Putharekulu is a famous sweet associated with which town? Lepakshi, Atriyapuram, Srishalam, Horsley Hills. Atriyapuram. Putharekulu, a thin layered sweet, is especially associated with Atriyapuram. Bandar Laddu is associated with which city? Machilipatnam, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vishakhapatnam. Machilipatnam. Bandar Laddu is a well-known traditional sweet of Machilipatnam. Answer choices: Eluru, Guntur, Tirupati, Vizianagaram. The correct answer is Guntur. Guntur is internationally known for its red chilies and large chili market. Here is the next question. Banganapalle is a famous variety of which fruit? Here are the options: apple, grape, orange, mango. The correct answer is mango. Banganapalle is one of the best known mango varieties of Andhra Pradesh. Let us move to the next question. Which is the principal food crop of Andhra Pradesh? Options: tea, saffron, paddy, coffee only. The answer is paddy. Paddy is the principal food crop cultivated widely across Andhra Pradesh. Krishnapatnam Port is located in which district? Sri Potti Sriramulu Nellore district, Srikakulam district, Anantapuramu district, NTR district. Sri Potti Sriramulu Nellore district. Krishnapatnam is a major port on the coast of Sri Potti Sriramulu Nellore district. Which island in Andhra Pradesh houses the Satish Dhawan Space Center? Bhavani Island, Divaisima, Hope Island, Sriharikota. Sriharikota. The Satish Dhawan Space Center, India's major spaceport, is located at Sriharikota. How many elected constituencies are there in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly? 125, 200, 150, 175. 175. The Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly has 175 elected constituencies.